The Dubai Miracle Garden is a flower garden located in the district of Dubailand, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. The garden occupies over 72,000 square meters or 780,000 square feet, making it the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 50 million flowers and 200 million plants. So this is the entrance fee. Start the journey here. So this is the entrance, and too much people, like millions of people are here right now.
Under pressure, no.
So look at that, they make some small castle. This is so beautiful. My goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at this gigantic cat over here. Hey guys, so look at that house. It's so cute, right? This gigantic elephant over here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is just so beautiful. This is so amazing. See? This gigantic elephant and gigantic horse over there. Oh gosh. Plus the dancing ballerinas. So I want to take a photo here since Ruslan is so busy right now, so I did a selfie. So over here they are selling also yogurts and smoothies. Ice creams are available in this area. As part of the licensing deal between the Dubai Miracle Garden and the Walt Disney Company, a topiary of Mickey Mouse was unveiled in February 2018. Flower structures of Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Pluto, Daisy Duck, Donald Duck, and Huey, Dewey, and Louie were installed later that year. They're selling corns here also. How much is the corns, love? 15 dirham. 15 dirham, it's around 200 pesos in Philippines. One corn. So guys, we're just resting right now and I'm gonna eat the corn that can cost you 15 dirham. My goodness, 15 dirham, it's around 200 pesos in Philippines. One corn. Okay, let's eat the 200 pesos corn. Tasty. Sweet. Tasty. Okay. Over here, they have super cute like cottage, wherein you can see it, you can eat. It's just so cute. See? So if you are tired, so they have swing here, so you can just lay. The Dubai Miracle Garden has so far made 3 Guinness World Records. In 2013, the Dubai Miracle Garden was declared as the world's largest vertical garden. Currently, an Airbus A380 flower structure in the garden is listed by the Guinness World Records as the biggest flower structure in the world. The 18 meters or 59 feet topiary of Minnie Mouse, which weighs almost 35 tons, is the tallest topiary supported sculpture in the world.
So what is inside here? So let us explore. Come on. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment, and don't forget to put like, and bye.